Hi, welcome. This is Sid Pedinti, the founder of California Law Services. I want to give you a quick breakdown of what you can expect during this complimentary business strategy call with me. Once again, I'm Sid Pedinti. I'm a business and intellectual property attorney, the founder and partner at California Law Services, a boutique law firm located in Hermosa Beach in California, in Los Angeles. The number one thing we're going to talk about is your business. So, that being said, we'll discover what business assets you possess in your business, in your small business, in your consulting firm, in your e commerce business, or some other professional practice that you may have. Whatever type of business you have, you certainly have business assets. So, the first thing we're going to do is discover what these assets are. Next, we'll take a look at your intellectual property. Many small business owners in particular, think that they do not have any intellectual property. This is not only a myth, but is actually very far from the truth. The fact is that you possess some sort of intellectual property. Things such as your business name, your logo, even a specialized unique website, right? Your trade secrets, your marketing list, your customer list. These are all trade secrets, and these are intellectual property that you not only need to identify, but you need to protect. So that's exactly what we'll do as the second objective of the strategy call. The third thing we're going to look at and examine is your legal strategy. When I talk about legal strategy, I'm talking about the contracts that you enter into. I'm talking about the different advertisements and marketing campaigns that you launch, and potential risks and also potential legal and ethical violations that these cause. And looking at some of these strategies and how to develop an ironclad system so that the value of your assets is not going to drop because of any surprises, so that your assets are protected. So what we're also going to do, number three, is once we discover these things, we're going to talk about forming an asset protection strategy. If you have one in place, we'll examine that to make sure there's no holes in it. And if you don't have one in place, we'll talk about what goes into protecting some of these assets. I'm talking about assets like your name, your logo, your website, your marketing secrets, the client list that you have, promotional content, sales scripts, financial forecasts, even insights into profit margins, right? These are all intellectual properties and assets that you need to protect, and that's what the asset protection plan talks about, that strategy. We'll also examine your different client contracts and employee contracts to make sure that the insights that you have and the secrets that you have are not being diluted, will not be spread, will not be shared with your competitors or sold for profit without your authorization or without you being compensated for it, right? So are your assets and intellectual property protected? Ask yourself, are they in compliance? Will there be any risks associated with this? So that's what this whole thing is about. I encourage you to go ahead and click the button, book a free strategy session. Once again, it's absolutely complimentary. There's no sales pitch involved. The strategies that I just discussed with you are involved in every business. Every single company has it. Every single entrepreneur, business owner has those things. One of the things I want to point out as a legal disclaimer is we're not going to actually talk about any legal strategies that you can act on. This is a brainstorming strategy session so we can analyze what you have in your business, and maybe if there's something worth considering, we can go ahead and book another strategy session to discuss the details. Well, this is a brainstorming and analysis session to help you understand what you have in your business and how you can protect it. I thank you for watching this. Once again, I am Sid Pedinti, the attorney here at California Law Services. Your strategy call will be with me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. I'll see you on the other side and look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you once again.